Hey everyone, this is an informal preview of Delfino and Katyuno, the game I'm working on currently for the Android platform. It is a bilingual game. I could add more languages, but it's really only going to be in English and Ido. And it's basically a juggling kind of game. I was trying to think of good gameplay mechanics for Android without having to use like a D-pad or anything like that, and touch controls, kind of basic, but it can become more complex. The levels can be more complex. So you can collect a heart to get an extra life. You only get one extra life. If you collect more hearts, you get points, but you try to avoid obstacles and collect your trinkets during levels. I'm playing this on the computer right now because I don't really know how to capture from the Android tablet or whatever itself, but instead of mouse clicking, it would be poking with your thumb or your finger. So once the cat's in the air, the dolphin can jump, the cat can double jump, and you can kind of juggle them both. The cat can get a little bit higher up if the dolphin's already in the air. So that was the basic tutorial level. I've also implemented a level editor. This is incomplete at the moment, and you'll see that's not quite exact on where you place these. I need to adjust this a little bit more. But the user interface, I think, overall is pretty good. I designed it to be able to be used on a phone screen. It's pretty basic, but I think it works. This is what I'm going to be using to make the levels in, so, as I create levels, I'll be making tweaks to make everything feel good. And you can save, you can enter new file names. I don't know a lot about the Lua file system library. I'll need to learn more so I can figure out how to display a list of all of the files in a directory. But for now, it saves, it loads, I can clear this and go back and load it again, and it'll be right back there. So that's something pretty cool. You can test the level directly from the editor. So like I said, the tile placement isn't exactly right when you actually are in-game. And everything is spaced out a lot more than I thought it would be. So that's something I have to go back and fix. But for the most part, that is the gameplay. There'll be multiple areas, and the items are going to be a little bit more sophisticated and have, different types of movements like sine waves or some sort of pathing besides just straight across. But that's kind of basically it. I have a few other gameplay types I am planning on, but that is Delfino and Katyuno.